Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by gathering essentials. This saves time later. Sign into Google, open sites, and create a new site. Add a clear site title, then build a shop page as your working canvas. Upload product images and attach SKU, price, and inventory notes in a sheet. Once done, drag a layout block into your page and place an image and text. Make sure to name sections logically so you can reuse templates and keep product data consistent across pages. Next, you construct the middle of the site where sales happen. Create a reusable product block with image, title, price, and description. Duplicate it for each item. Embed a Google Sheet to manage inventory and link pay buttons or third-party checkout like PayPal. Make sure to test a $1 transaction. Once done, organize items by category and add a filter bar. This improves discovery and reduces bounce. Also, set SEO titles and alt. Finally, you polish and launch. Preview the entire flow on desktop and phone, then publish to a custom domain and enable HTTPS. Make sure contact forms and order notifications route to your email. Adjust sharing permissions so customers can view but not edit. Once live, test a full purchase, confirm inventory updates, and monitor load times. If something breaks, clear your browser cache and reload. If persistent, duplicate the page and re-add the checkout element as a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.